Well, so if you saw my last auction video, there was one car I left out, my 1918. Well, this morning's journey's got me up before the sun. Well, we are here bright and early, and maybe second. Might have got here a little too early, so we'll have to see.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Kurt might buy another car. Look at my truth-telling eyes. I'm so excited.
What I hope I can be dragging home today. Right here. Right? See that? They make you sit on top of the gas tank for safety.
Yeah, that's safe. Oh my god. Why do you...
Why do I want this?
I know. Look at it. It's got a title. It's gorgeous.
It's over 100 years old.
It's over 100 years old?
To the Ford purists, I'm sorry, it's Rat Rod. Look at the wood, still in good shape. Look at it. All I have to do is wrap that piece of black vinyl over the roof and the heavy roof. It's already done.
Oh yeah.
Like,
yeah.
I might clear coat it just so it can be outside, but you get these wagon wheels for your garden.
Yes. Look at this. This is quality. Ooh.
It's just sitting on there apparently. Plus, there's no paint to scratch, but it is perfect, just as it is. Did I mention it has a title? Her anxiety is my heart. Like, mine's adrenaline. Is your heart pounding? And you know what? I don't need this. But where else are you going to find a 100-year-old car with a title that looks this cool?
All right, lot number 908 is a 1918 Ford CJ5 truck, 4-cylinder Ford motor. It is free, guys. It's got wooden spoke wheels, auxiliary transmission. It's been stored inside. It's an original 3-owner truck, guys. It was bought brand new by the Argyle municipality. It was sold in the late 50s, I believe, to another family. And then it was sold probably about 10 years ago to the most recent owner. He does have a title for it. Boys, what a piece of history there. If you're looking for something in southern Wisconsin to put in your collection and kind of brag about, it's still got the municipal plates up on the front there, fellas. Kind of a neat little local story here for a 3-owner truck. You don't even get after it. No, that's for those other cars. Yeah. All right, boys, we're putting on the wall today with this one. All right, 7,500 and 7,500, 1,000 bucks, 1,500, and 15,200, and 1,500, 2,500, and 2,025, 25, 2,25, now 5, 22, 25, 5, 22, 25, and 25, 22, 25, 25, 27, 53, and 3,000, 3,000, 33 down 2.5, and 33, 2.5, and 3, 2.5, and 3, 2.5, 5, 5, and 30, 5, 5, and 30, 35, 5, 35, and 30, 59, 5, 5, and 30, 5, and 5, and 5, and 30, 33, sir. 33. Now 4. And 34, and 34, and 33, 34, and 33, 4, what Chucky say? And 33, 4, you're riding solo on this one. 33, 4, 5, 35, 35, 34, 35, and 34, 5, and 5, and 34, 35, you're never going to get some box shaking your head that way. And 34, 5, where are you going to find another one, guys, especially with that kind of history?
30, yeah.
And 6, 36, 36, 35, 36, 35, 36. Hey, Dave, where you at? Where's Dave at?
Why are we calling
He
Dave
still
over?
have the copy of the check when they sold it in 1957. He's got the check when they sold it in 1957, boys. That's correct. 35, 3600. 35, 3600. 35, 3600 is up to you. And 35, 3600 out of you, and I'm gonna buy 6. Sold. 3500 in the back row. What's your number, sir? 34 is right. 34. We appreciate you both.
Just paid a lot for us. It's like $4,000 with buyer's premium, right?
74 miles.
My idea of buying a rusty rat rod project on a budget
Already doubled in price.
Yeah.
Woo!
So I decided. So what I said was I would give up a couple horsepower because I paid more for the body than I wanted to. So.
Oh, that's so generous of you.
We won't put the nitrous kit on this one. But check it out. It's got dual lanterns on the front of it that actually hold oil, and they work, I bet. Well, I don't know that for sure.
What nitrous kit?
Nitrous kit.
What nitrous kit?
I really got to stop buying stuff. Check out how cool that is. I don't think she's as excited as she's pretending.
Yes, he needs to stop buying things.
Oh, yeah, we agree on that for sure. And so the reason I don't need it is because this one's still not back together. And I have yet to even start to work on my 1940 Mercury I just picked up like a month ago. So the amount of projects I have, it's just crazy. Oh yeah, and this Firebird with only 30,000 miles sitting since 91.
Hi, I'm Tasha, Kurt's wife. You gotta follow along, like and subscribe, because Kurt quit his job to do this. He's gonna need to make some money.